Hello students, today I am going to explain you from exercise 7.2, the last question, that is 10th question. So the question is, find the area of rhombus. So the shape they are given as rhombus, that is quadrilateral. You have to find out the area of quadrilateral rhombus. If its vertices are given here, 4 vertices taken in order. So they are in some order. So as we know the formula of rhombus, if you don't know, they are given the hint. But always they will not give the hint. So you must remember the formula of area of rhombus. So the formula is what? Half product of its diagonal. So half, it is constant. We must know to find out the product, we must know the length of diagonals. So first of all, we will draw the figure. So it will be easy to understand. So let us take this as A, that is 3 and 0. B is 4, 5, C is -1, 4, and D is -2 and -1. So the diagonals are AC and BD here. So we must find the length of AC and BD. And as we know, A and C are the endpoints of diagonal AC. So using distance formula, we can find out the distance AC. Similarly, using distance formula, we can find out the distance BD. So let us write here, because here they are not named the rhombus, and we are named that rhombus as ABCD. So let A, that is 3, 0, B is 4, 5, C is -1, 4, and D is -2 and -1 are 4 vertices of rhombus ABCD. So here AC and BD will be the diagonals. So AC and BD are the diagonals. So as we know the formula, we must find out the product of half of product of diagonals. So we must find out the distance of diagonals. So let us find out using distance formula. So here we have to find out the distance AC. So the formula is root x2 minus x1. So let us take A. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So here x2 is -1 because we have taken AC. So here this is -1. Subtract x2 -1 minus x1. x1 is 3, its square, plus y2 minus y1. y2 is 4 minus y1, that is 0, its square. So equals to, this is minus minus plus. So 1 plus 3 is 4, minus and square, plus 4 its square. So finally you will get here this as -4 its square will be 16, plus this is 16. So we will get here this as root 32. So you can convert this into the product of square number and one non-perfect square number. So I can convert this as 16 into 2. So 16 is a square number. So 16 root is what? 4. And root 2 will remain as it is. So as this is a distance, we have to write it as what? Units. AC we are calculated. Now we will find out the BD. So BD will be equals to square root of, here let us write here B. What is B? 4 and 5, and D is -1 and -2. If you write like this, no need to see the diagram again and again, and it will be more easy. So here BD, so this is x1 y1, x2 y2. Only this x1 y1 we have taken only for convenience, for identification. So the formula is distance formula, x2 minus x1. x2 is -2 minus x1 is 4, its square, plus y2, that is -1, minus y1, that is 5, its square. So this is -2 minus 4 is -6 its square, plus Here minus 1 and minus 5 is minus 6 its square. So here minus 6 its square is 36. Minus 6 its square is 36. So 36 plus 36 will get us 72, root 72. And further we can write this as 36 into 2. So that 36 is a square number. So its square root we can find out. That is 6 into root 2 will as it is, because root 2 is not perfect square and it is units. So we got AC and BD. So now we can find out the area of given rhombus. So area of rhombus formula is half of product of diagonals. So here half product means into half of product of diagonals. So diagonals are AC and BD. So 1 by 2, or you can say half. AC we got as 4 root 2 into BD we got as 6 root 2. So here 2 1s are 2 2s are get cancels. So 1 into 2 root 2 is 2 root 2 into 6 root 2 we got. So now these two you can multiply. 6 2s are 12 into root 2 into root 2. And if you calculate this, root 12 as it is, root 2 into 2 root 2, it will be 2. So the area of rhombus is 24 and the area will measure in the square units. So here you can write square units. So remember how this 2 root into root 2, that we taken as just 2. Why? Because if we write in exponents, it will be root means what? Half into 2 half. Here as base are same, we will take 2. Half plus half is 1. So we'll add the powers here when the base are same. So 2 is 2, 1 means what? 2. If you understood my explanation, then do like, subscribe and share my channel.